Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour meeting number 48. This is issue number 370. On agenda today, we have a few proposals to be moved into the review status. Some of them are EIPs, some of them are ERCs, and we are also joined by some of the authors who are trying to propose some new ERCs. We are joined by Anushka and Shubham, and the first PR in request is PR 723 from ERC category. Thank you, Sam, for joining us. Over to you.
Hey, so let's take a look at this. So did you have any specific questions about this or just want some general information?
So Sam, we just wanted just general information, like whatever changes you suggested last time we did, and we wanted your
Sure.
feedback and like what would be the next process afterwards.
Can do. Let's see. Cool. So it'll go into the review status, or into the draft status rather. And then whenever your like the standard is complete,
Yeah.
like it's been fully specified, you can open a PR to move it into review. Then you collect.
Sam, your voice is breaking.
Reviews from people in the ecosystem that would be relevant. You can move it into last call, and then you better.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Yeah. So sorry. Yeah. Basically, you just open PRs to move it through the statuses when you think you're ready to do so.
Okay. So basically, we can update these the ERC status to review now, right?
All right. So
Sam, you were frozen for a
Yep.
few seconds. I don't know if you followed the question here.
The question.
Yeah, Shubham, could you please repeat?
So Sam, will you be updating the status to from draft to review, or like we'll be?
Oh no, that's up to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So whenever you want to do it, you can make that change.
Okay.
Okay. So your rationale here is decent. It goes more into like usage here, which is fine.
Yeah.
But it's also important to talk about like design decisions you've made and not just how you're supposed to use it. It's not enough to like block this. I'm still going to approve it, but just think about that while you're in review. If you get any questions about how things like were designed or why things are the way they are, just remember you can always add those into your rationale section.
Okay.
That's good. It's fine. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is good. Security considerations. Yeah, that's perfect. So then we can do this. And then we can do that. And then we can approve it. Yeah, so that looks great. Just like I said, go out and find people to review it if you can find them. And once you're satisfied that the ecosystem is like in support of your proposal, you can move it from review into last call. Yeah.
So Sam, like, how can we find the reviewers, like, or EIP editors?
That is a difficult question. So there are a few groups that do like interest groups. Like there's an NFT working group. There's like the OpenSea kind of Discord has some developers on it. So like if you just share your proposal around in those kind of developer groups, people tend to look at it. But like if you're already certain that this is the way it's going to look at the end, then you can just move it yourself. But I would recommend trying to find somebody. But we don't like have reviewers on staff or anything like that.
Okay.
I don't know if wallet group can another be point for maybe sharing.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good one. Here, I'll put a link in the chat. So there is a group here. We do monthly calls on wallet-related topics, and this loosely touches on wallets, so it might be worth sharing it there and seeing if wallets have any input. I can't promise they will, but it's a good place to start.
Okay.
I'm not sure if we have visibility on the next meeting, Sam. Is it any specified date that we can share?
It is. So the next date is on the 18th of December.
Perfect. Yeah, so if you're around, you may want to join the 18th of December at 1800 UTC, and you can find all the information on the Discord of Wallet Devs.
Okay.
Perfect.
Cool. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
We can now move on to the proposals which are waiting to be moved to the review status. There are 2 EIPs and 2 ERCs. However, I see one EIP is dependent on another, but I have listed all 4 of them together. So,
okay, what order should I be looking at this in then? Just
yeah.
in the order here?
Yeah, you can go ahead with that.
Okay. All right, let's take a look. Oh, here, I can probably make this a little bit in there. Okay. Can I edit this? I can. That's even better. So we don't need this. And we don't need that. Okay. The get contract operator will return the address contained in the bytecode by its hash. Content addressing by hash is common pattern in database design. It allows to store and retrieve data by its unique footprint in the storage. This pattern is widely used in the industry and it allows. So you're very quiet if somebody's talking.
I just unmuted. I'm waiting for the response in chat.
Actual storage location. See the same bytecode. Okay. Today, existing contract discovery relies on addresses which are non-deterministic and can be obfuscated through proxies. Indexing by bytecode hash project. Okay. Consider security auditor. Okay. All right, so that's fine. Okay. Output. If code hash exists on the state, pushes the corresponding contract address onto the stack. Interesting. Every context on the EVM must be added to the state try with a key being. Okay. Don't need that. There's more. Operation more complex. That's fine. So that's all good. So we can commit these. All right, so this is fine, but I am not a fan of how this is worded. So let's go and make a technical comment on it. Okay. So we wanted to, the code hash exists in the state, pushes the corresponding contract address onto the stack. Okay, so this is the problem here. So we're going to go over here, we're going to reply, and we're going to say, okay, cool. So we can move on to the next one. So 7691.
So yeah, for this particular one, I guess 9095 is blocked on 9094 on the PR number. So if
Okay.
you check that one first.
Oh, actually, yeah. So what's this one being blocked on? So 7691. Yeah, so this one I need to do this one first. Okay. Okay, so increase the number of blobs to reach a new target matrix of 6 and 9 blobs. Okay, that's a nice description. This EIP proposes to increase just change this to increases the number of blobs in a block to provide more scale to Ethereum. Okay, 3 methods, roll century since the Denkun fork, 3 and 6 respectively. Good, as we now have Denkun upgrade live. Yep, that's good. This is all fine. Okay. But you need to fill out the to-dos. So why isn't this finding those as errors, which is kind of annoying? Yeah, that shouldn't have passed. That's a bug to go and fix.
I think this was for, review or last call. Maybe that's why it is not.
It should trigger an error once you go into review. And it's really weird that it's not. So let's go and see what's going on here. Yeah, so this is broken. So let's go make a bug for that. What was that called? It was Markdown HTML comments. Yeah, that's probably fine. And we'll grab a link to this check. And we'll put that in here and we'll submit. Okay. I always love finding bugs while we're doing this.
And I hope someone watching this video may be able to jump in and help us with that.
Hopefully, that would be nice. Request changes. Okay, so that's easy. So we can't review this one.
Oh, we already did. So
This
we
one.
can do number 2, 9095.
Sorry, say that again.
We need to go to 9095 because this was 9094.
But yeah, we can't do that one because we didn't approve the other one.
Okay, perfect. So let's move on to the third one. Yes.
9092. Okay, yeah, so this isn't me. This is a Tim review. Yeah, okay. Cool. So 738. Nothing going on here. All right. Moving into review. Okay, the CRC proposes a new standard for non-fungible tokens that supports multiple owners. The MO NFT standard allows a single NFT to have multiple owners, reflecting the shared and distributed. Okay. Am I the one who approved this? Wait, you're already in review. Why are you being moved to review again? Oh, no, I'm just dumb. What pull request was this in? No idea. Doesn't really matter. 7743. Oh, that was me. I really shouldn't have approved that. Oh well. Okay. So 7746. So we're going into review. Okay, this is a composable security middleware hooks interface for composable runtime security check. That's reasonable. This EIP proposes standard interface I layer for implementing composable security layers in smart contracts. These layers act as middleware, enabling runtime validation of function calls before and after execution. Good. Smart contract. 43%. All right. So is 4337 in review? You are a draft.
I was seriously hoping this 43317 team makes a new PR.
Oh, I'm sure they have probably entirely given up on the EIP process and they're just doing it on their own.
Oh, no, actually, they are trying to split the EIP into 2 different EIPs and we're planning to do it. I'll follow up with them again.
Okay, so let's provide 2 functions, before call and after call. Good. That's all good. Yeah, this is mostly fine except for that one thing. Cool.
So I looked into most of the proposals listed here. Looks like you have already taken out time because they were moved from the last meeting to this meeting. So you have checked most of them. The only thing unchecked are the new one that you haven't looked into.
Like down here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's go through and read this then. Cool. That's a great description. This proposal introduces. Okay, create a decay mechanism by overriding the get votes on the parent contract, reducing the token's voting power over time. Okay, where does get votes come from in the parent contract? Okay. Okay. Reference implementation, good. The account is compromised. Okay, yes, this is fine. Okay. Actually, can I just commit this one? I can. Perfect. I probably have to reapprove you now. There. All right. So, decentralized identity verification. All right, let's give this a read. Decentralized identity verification, privacy method for decentralized identity verification. Okay. Sure. This proposal introduces a standard for decentralized identity verification on the blockchain. The standard leverages cryptographic hashes to represent identity proofs and events. Okay. Centralized identity verification. Okay. How's that render? Does that render correctly? No. Okay. Okay, why do these have so many? All right, let's do some more editing here. The following stakeholders. So we'll go like that, and then these will go to 4. We can get rid of these colons. Okay. Cool. Okay, enterprise, cool. Those proposed. Okay, I guess there's a lot of edits I need to make on this one. Sorry. Where'd I go? Verification function. The verify identity function. Okay, smart contract. The next is okay. So all right, so struct identity. Identity verified, revoked, create identity, verify identity, revoke, okay, get it, okay, good, that's good. We can get rid of that extra space. Rationale. Okay, then you have a reference implementation. Yeah, it seems fine. All right, we can approve this, and it can go in as a draft.
And for the last one, I guess we are joined by the author.
Oh, hey.
MASDXI. The PR number is 718.
What did I say on this one? Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's go and give this a read. Here's E20 extension for Queen. Okay, good. Bunch of financial instruments. Cool. Epochs represent a specific block period, block-based, time-based. Tokens linked to an epoch may valid as long as the epoch is active. Okay. just grab this, bring that up here. Okay, and then good. You have requires 20, perfect. Type validity duration. Oh, there you are. Okay, cool. Type da da da. Okay, balance at epoch. Good. Yeah, that's fine. Fully backwards, perfect. Good. That's good. So you have security considerations. That's perfect. Yeah, this is awesome. So I will just commit these tiny little changes, and then we can approve this. Cool. Did you have any other questions about the process, or is that it?
I would assume no question for now.
Yep. Okay. Cool. So
We have covered everything on the list. I do see 57 other open PRs from the project board. Maybe if you would want, you can take a look at it async, or if you would want to pick up anything. Otherwise, we
I
are good.
think we can wrap this up. I'll just finish reviewing them. I'm almost done all the ERCs, and I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah,
Sure.
guess we'll see you all in what, 2 weeks?
Absolutely. Thanks,
Awesome.
Sam, for taking our time.
See you guys.
Thank you, everyone, for joining. Take care.